problem states, consider the following operation. Given a positive integer n, if n is a multiple of 3, then you replace n by n over 3. If n is not a multiple of 3, then you replace n by n plus 10. Then continue this process. For example, beginning with n is equal to 4, this procedure gives 4 to 14 to 24 to 8 to 18 to 6 to 2 to 12. Suppose you start with n is equal to 100. What value results if you perform this operation exactly 100 times? So the best way to start off this problem is simply just writing out the pattern. So we're starting off with 100, and then so 100 would be n. If n is a multiple of 3, then you replace it by n over 3. Well, clearly 100 is not divisible by 3, so that means that you have to continue it by adding 10 to it, so it would be 110. 110 is still not a multiple of 3, so you go to 120. Now 120 is a multiple of 3, so we divide this by 3 to get 40. And then 40 is not divisible by 3, so we go to 50. 50 is not either, so we go to 60. 60 is. You can divide it by 3 to get 20. And then 20 is not, so you go to 30. 30 is divisible by 3, so you divide by 3 to get 10. 10 is not, so you add 10. 20 is not, so you add 10, which is 30. And then again. And then you get 10 is not 20, and then you go to 30. So by now, we should already see the pattern. It starts at 30, and then it goes to 30 to 10 to 20. And then it repeats again. So that means that after 7 operations, we're going to stop right there. After 7 operations, we see that the pattern forms 30, 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, 10, 20. So it tells us we're going to perform exactly 100 times. I'm going to do 100 minus 7 to get rid of the beginning 7 numbers that don't follow the pattern to get 93. So 93 is 93 more times that we have performed this. But we can divide 93 by 3 because each loop is 3 numbers, 30, 10, 20. So we're going to figure out how many loops there are and see if there are any remainders. We're going to divide this by 3 to get 31. And there are no remainders. So that means that this operation will loop through 30, 10, 20 exactly 31 times. So that means that after running it 31 times, it will go back to 30. So we're going to get a 30 again, so our answer would be C.